So I think I might have just convinced my dad to get me the upgrade for this. So we don't have the money right now because we're moving. So once we get it, he said he'll do it for me, maybe. But I lost track again. Oh my gosh. So I can edit the videos with that, and I can do as long as I want in videos. So yeah, that's gonna be good. I'll be able to record more videos whenever I want, and yeah. Anyway, I'm at Jailbreak. Oh, and also you'll be able to hear audio. I don't know if you already can hear audio. Cause wait, what? This because I've heard it in some videos. I don't know where I am. Sorry, I lost track. I heard it in some videos where you could hear audio, but I don't know if you guys can fully hear it. So yeah, it's just me talking for an hour out of my ass. So yeah, sorry, I kind of lost track of what I was gonna say. I tend to do that a lot. I'm weird that way. So anyway, um, please start um asking from uh commenting down below what videos you want me to do, and I'll like make a video saying yes or no, cause it depends what I have. I have Gmod and I have the Stanley Parable. I could get some free games on Steam or try online free games. I just need you guys to work with me. And also, what the hell? I can still get out of here. So yeah, please, is that a big soccer ball? Please tell me what videos you want me to be doing, cause kind of running out of videos. So yeah, so I'm gonna, but that's, I don't, I'm confused. I know there was a thing where you could go down there. I just forgot where it was located. Someone showed it to me. It's 250. Oh, I think I found it. I could do it before. Whatever. Doesn't matter. I don't even know what to say anymore, man. What the? That's new. This game has gotten a lot of upgrades since I last played it. And it's much more easier to drive, too, with this computer. Because I used my grandma's computer for a couple, I mean, for a couple days since I couldn't really get a charger for this one. And I know I didn't upload anything because I didn't want to save anything to our computer. Because, that's a good song, though. I just swam. I just drove into the wood. I can still drive. What was that thing on the water I saw? Oh, it's right there. No, go that way. I'm so confused at what this is. Whatever. Just get back in my underwater car. Surprised that still drives. Where's the underground place? I don't remember. Oh, look, road. I never really explored here. This is actually really cool. Can I go inside the waterfall? I think I'm swimming up the waterfall. I can just hide in here and the cops. Whoa, no, 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 don't fall off. The cops won't even notice me. Okay, there's a cop base right there. Never mind. I want to know what's up this mountain. I mean, why would they put it here if there's nothing on top? Back to my car. I wonder if anyone can see me up here. Swear there's nothing up here. Oh, look, there's a helicopter. They're definitely gonna see me. If I jump down, you think I'll die? Can't get all the way up here. Maybe. I can't get up here. Oh, there we go. Wow, I can actually see them move. I see. I don't even know where my car went. Somewhere down there. I can't. I found it. I'm high. Literally. Okay. Also, I was making another. Yeah, I just fell small amount. That's small. So yeah, I just played another Body Basics. I'm probably not gonna upload it because I accidentally deleted it and it's just gonna take too long to re-record. And I don't really. How did I hurt myself from that? Okay, how do I get back down to my car? Oh, gently does it. Gently does it. I don't even. Oh, found it. If I can just jump in the water. I'm drowning. I gotta get up. Parking job. Sorry for hearing you in the background. That's my dad and my sister who are both weird. I don't care. I don't have a key card, so what does it matter? What if I just put myself back in jail? Uh, that was cool. Wait, what did the back say? Oh, I don't know. I don't even know how to get back. I'll just follow the road. I can't even see where I'm going. Hold on. I am a terrible driver. Oh God. There's a tunnel right there that I'm gonna go through. I don't even have 50,000, do I? No, I only have 1,000. And you said on that 1 day apartment. Oh, it won't let me go through the train hole. I won't back up. Why aren't you backing up? Oh God. Okay. Oh, there we go. That was weird. I'm just doing my own thing. I need gas. Hold on. How did you do that? If you're Thanks, bud. Hi. No, I don't want to rob. I don't want to rob Robs anyway. I want to rob again. I'm just gonna keep robbing this guy. Fine. Thanks for the gas and the money. I want to jump that train. No, don't open the door. What? No, that's not what I wanted to do, but okay. I don't even care. I lost my car. My car's over there. People are rich. Shoot. So if you took my car, I will murder. I think my car. It's way over there. My car! No! This video's gonna stop in 2 minutes, but I'll just restart it again. I can't get out. There we go. I didn't train just comes and hits me. I have a minute. Okay, guys, well, I'm gonna end this one here and come back to it. Anyway, thanks for joining and bye.